na may diskarte. O sa pag-ibig ang pag-uusapan, minsan naman ay sa kayamanan. Ikanila, higit-higit gawing motibasyon. Kahit na pilit, pag di mo kaya yumuko na lang. At biglang mapapasabi ka na lang na sana kung laging puno ng saya. Sana kung hindi naiiya. Sana kung
With your host, Artist Matt, reminding you of my mantra, walk, leave a mark, and make a difference.
I am your co-host, Zillable, reminding you to always take a chance and make a choice or your life will never change.
Sabay-sabay tayo
Sana
Sana all!
Sana kung laging puno ng saya. Sana kung hindi naiiya. Sana kung pangarap ay mataas. Sana kung matagumpay ang landas. Sana all. Oh my gosh.
Yes, good evening everyone, and again, welcome to Sana All Inspiring. This is our pilot episode, and again, this is your host, Artist Matt, and welcome sa aming show. This is a new series, and of course, dedicated for a new month. It is October na, and this is our birth month. So hello sa inyong lahat dyan. Welcome sa ating show. Ito na naman tayo. Ang dami ko talagang problema sa kumo pagdating sa ganito. Mukha na naman sunog yung mukha ko at this moment. Ayan, okay na siya. So at this point, let me introduce to you the lady from San Diego, California. At syempre, very dedicated siya kasi every episode natin ay kailangan gumising ng 7 a.m. or earlier than that for her to prepare. Especially, kailangan niya mag-makeup and all. So, let's all welcome Zillable!
Good morning everyone!
Oh, di ba? Bagong gupit yan. Oh, bagong
Ayan.
style. Oh, nagulat kayo, no?
Masasabi nyo kamukha ni Ate Dia to.
Hindi, kamukha mo na si Rihanna.
Ay, yes.
Yan ba yung peg
Kamusta?
natin today?
Peg natin for the whole year.
Yeah. So, kamusta naman ang gising mo bilang October 1 na? Na-energize ka ba? Kasi nga, birth month natin.
Siyempre, excited ako, especially sa episode 2 at saka sa episode 3 natin for this.
Ganun ba? Ano kaya meron sa episode 2 tsaka episode 3 na yan?
Siyempre, birthday natin.
Ay, ganun ba yon? So yan, magbe-birthday po kami. Meron kaming birthday special for episode 2 and episode 3. So madaming magaganap dyan. 6 slots yung mangyayari. May mga guestings and all. And may mga parigalo siguro si Z. May mga pabigay siya ng mga size 10 na chocolate.
Ako yung may paregalo, di ba dapat ako yung nire-regalo?
Ganun ba yon? Kasi sila Willie Revilla, sila Vic Soto, sila nagre-regalo. Baka naman ikaw din.
Wala akong jacket.
Hindi ba? Ay, wala kang jacket. So, ano naman yung mga insights mo regarding sa ating last episode, last series dati, yung Sana All Singer-Songwriter?
Ang tag dito, nakaka-inspired na magsulat ulit, no? Kasi pwede pala nating i-turn yung mga experiences natin sa pagkanta or sa isang kanta. And lahat pala yan, lahat ng genre, pwede mong matutunan. Basta passion mo siya, matututunan mo. At saka, meron akong isang natandaan na message ni, I think si Ate Gea to, nasabi niya na, merong nagsabi sa kanya na magsulat ka lang na magsulat hanggang sa maka-100 ka. Dun sa 100 na yon, 99 hindi okay, pero may isang magiging, magandang kanta. Kasi
Yes, may isang
na-develop yung
magiging
writing
hit.
skills mo. Yeah.
Parang sa dinami-dami ng tao, may isang ikaw. Wow!
Ay, yun, no?
Ay, Sige lang, magsalita ka pa habang sinishare ko pa ito. Kailangan ko i-share
Ayan,
ito sa
guys.
KIS or Kuma Independent Streamers exclusive talent. Malay natin.
Ayan, guys. Kayo dyan sa mga ating Sana Allers. Nga pala, the episode 3 is now out sa YouTube, and then soon, it should be at least today din yung episode 4 natin. Yan, I apologize that we are 2 weeks behind dun sa pagpo-post natin. 2 weeks behind, no. Yeah, 2 weeks behind. Kasi episode 2 was a challenge. Kaya talaga. To the
Kailangan
point,
ni Z
nagpagupit
maging
tayo.
ano,
Char.
kailangan ni Z maging sound engineer kunwari
Ang
para
sakit sa ulo.
pagpantayin yung sobrang taas na mga boses sa sobrang babang boses.
Oo. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin talaga. 200% na yon, tapos yung music talaga 5% na lang. Hindi pa rin kinaya, guys.
And actually, being a vlogger is really a challenge. Not everyone accepts the challenge of being a vlogger. Kasi nga naman, ang daming mga nitty-gritty na kailangan alam mo, nakakaubos ng oras din. That's why some of them get to retire early sa kanilang mga job kasi nga they need to focus on. Kasi nga talaga kung mahal nga talaga nila yung pagva-vlog, kailangan nilang pagbigyan or bigyan ng tamang yung lahat ng oras nila. And hello sa mga bagong pasok, sila Belbel69, The CNB, and Pasky. Ayun. So, handa ka na ba pakilala natin ang ating boss lady?
Yes, I'm excited. Nakasama ko na siya sometimes sa ibang live stream natin. Pero just, nakikipagkwentuhan or nasa baba ako, nagmamasid-masid. Pero I wanted to know more about her and I'm so excited, diba, na ma-inspire.
Oo, at bago pa natin siya pinakilala, tingnan mo, puro siya yung nananalo sa baba. O may 2,000, may 35, may 520, may 65. Sunod-sunod ang panalo niya. Iba talaga to. Ayan, may 1,035 pa. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng mga panalo ng mga butal-butal.
May butal.
Siya lang talaga nakakagawa niyan. So, she is a graduate of KCA Batch 14. So, this person is an alumna of KCA Batch 14 or Kumu Creators Academy, which you and me are also part of. So, and of course, she is an achiever because she received the most CCV awardee, or she is a CCV awardee pala. And kanina nung binabasa ko to, nung bigla ko siyang binasa, akala ko most CCTV. Alam mo naman ako, pag nagbasa, minsan mali-mali or most of the time mali-mali. So sabi ko, bakit mo CCTV? Ano to? Tres Marites nga. And of course, ito talaga, napakagaling ng kanyang every Saturday na bulsahan. Kasi nga ang title neto, talagang tatatak sa isip mo, Bulsabado. O diba?
Oh,
Ang galing neto. And let me or help me welcome her. She is from US, our very own Pangit siya, also known as Boss Lady.
Boss lady.
Good evening,
Yes.
everybody! Grabe.
Good evening.
I know, good morning, Z! Good morning to everybody on that
Ayan,
part of
at
the
kailangan niya sabihin kung ano yung CCV, no? Content
Right.
creator
Oo
viewer.
world. Yes.
Yes.
So,
Ayan yung mga feeling ko mga bit-bit niya na to, sila Enjoy. Good evening po,
Yes,
Mami
that's my
Erica
mommy. Oh,
and
that's my mommy.
everyone.
Those are my bebes. Hi, my Kumo
Ayan
bebe.
na, o, 'di ba? Nagsisipasukan na yung mga bebes niya kasi meron na siyang mga minions or mga
Right?
tawag dito. Anong tawag mo sa kanila?
They're my
Anak
bebe.
lang.
Yes.
Bebe.
Bebes.
Okay.
Ayan.
Bebe ni Beshi. Ayan.
Yan si Enjoy, 'di ba? Siya yung architecture student
Yes. Yep.
Oh, ayan. Kaya hi architect. Hello sa iyo.
Mm-hmm.
Soon to be architect. Sige, start na tayo. Or wait lang, anong paghahanda na ginawa mo, Boss Lady, para sa ganitong guesting?
I made sure na I have Kleenex kasi baka paiyakin niyo ako.
Oh,
Hopefully not. Diba?
Pero nakaayos ka kasi, 'di ba?
Aw,
Ganun 'yon. Kasi ganun yung parang defense mechanism natin. Kailangan
of course.
well-groomed tayo o kaya naman whatsoever para naman pag kunwari sa exam, pag bumagsak, at least hindi mo kang kawawa.
Yes, hindi mo kang correct. Totoo yan, guys. You have to really prepare. Hindi pa nga masyado kasi just like Z, diba? Oh, kakagising lang namin. Yeah. I have to finish some homework.
Actually, pati si Yeye, minessage ko na sa Kumu. Sabi ko, gisingin mo na ate mo.
I know, right? I don't think he's there yet, but hello everybody.
Wala
Yes,
wala pa
please
siya
do
dito.
share. Ayan, hi Rhino.
And of course, Rhino will be introduced later at 10:40 p.m. Kasi nga, ngayon, nag-ano muna siya, comment section reporter. Kumukuha siya ng mga information sa baba or nag-steer siya ng engagement sa baba habang tayo ay nag-uusap. And of course, nagmamasid-masid kung ano yung mga pwede niyang itanong later on. Sige, start na tayo, Z.
Ayan, so panguna, tingnan muna natin, saang state ka ate, boss
It's
lady?
I'm from the West Coast. It's the state of California, USA.
Oh, so parehas lang tayo ng state.
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, maaga nga tayo. Ayan.
Right.
So, to break the ice, anong tawag dito? Paano ka napunta dito sa US?
Ayan
Or
na,
were you
guys.
born here in the US?
Ayan na guys, iyakan na to. No, I wasn't born here. I was born and raised in Manila. Yan na. Ito na guys, pag wala kayo, sorry, I will not repeat anything.
Oy, mukhang may mga pa-question and
Diba?
answer mamaya. Naku.
Correct. No, I was born and raised in Manila, and I came here when the 9/11 happened.
Oh.
Mm.
So I told you guys, nakakaiyak.
Is that 2001?
2001.
2001.
Yes, 2001. Just 2 months after 9/11, because when 9/11 was happening, everything was crumbling down my life as well. So, yes, it's very, very memorable, grabe. So, I need a place to go just to let everything out. You know, kasi parang, you get to the point in your life na you're giving up, but you know, you never give up. You never give up. So, I was on the island of Palau. I don't know if you guys ever heard of that island, but
Palau in Luzon. Ay, Palawan pala yun.
Palawan yun. But that's good, diba? Kasi ayoko, sana talaga naglagay ako ng makeup otherwise. But anyway, so yeah, I was on the island of Palau, and then from there, I went home first because everything was, just like what 9/11 happened, very, very memorable. I never thought that I will ever be in this great country. But
Ilang taong
You know-
ka nun?
I was 120 pounds lighter. Diba? Oh my God. I was 26.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, diba? No giving up. Yes, no give upping. Yes, we are poor, need work hard. That's true, Rhino. But yes.
Welcome back.
I know everybody doesn't want to believe, but yes, I was born Yagit. I don't know if that's still, people still understands. And every time I say, they're like, "Oh no, you're not." I'm like, "Yes, I am." But and it's like, it's good to tell people this because that's how you help. That's how you inspire them. That's how you.
You were
tell them,
born poor.
I was
To,
born poor.
for everyone to understand or para nasa same page tayo. Very poor.
Yes, Yagit or Dukha, however you want to call it, And yes, I was born. Ano pa ba? Ampas lupa. Mga ganun.
Pero kasi nga is it safe to say that you went to the US because US is your escape or
Yes.
it is
yes.
more of an opportunity for you? What were you thinking during that time?
At first, it was just an escape, and I don't intend to stay here. So I was like, I want to go to a place where nobody knows me. Yung I can scream on top of my lungs and just scream, just let it all out, and maybe if it's meant to be, start over. Hi, Bernie Cathy. So that happened.
What was the reason? What was the reason or ano yung naging category mo to come here in the US? Because we know that, we don't just get here by accident.
Yeah. The main reason was because, like I told you, 9/11 was happening, and my first marriage was really getting down the drain. Like, I did my best to save it, but alam niyo yun, pag if the other person, it always takes two to
Yes.
tango, guys. Yes.
That's true.
So, and you will always feel like, you always feel guilty. Saan ka nagkulang, diba? I even get to the point na, gusto nyo, threesome na lang, pagalingan diba? Yung gano'n.
Uy.
Yeah, but
Ano ba siya? Pinoy siya?
ay, talaga may gano'n. Pwede. Hi, Baby Shab. Pwede.
Grabe yung ganun ka pala ba ng boss lady?
Yes,
You won't be called boss lady if hindi mo
Exactly.
na-prove yun.
Yes.
Ay, na-prove ba yun yung ano?
Hindi kasi nga ganun siya kapalaban in terms of in terms of fighting for her love, fighting
Yes.
for everything that she has during that time.
Yes.
Okay.
And aside from, of course, we have a kid, which, ang laki na niya ngayon, 24 years old na siya, diba? Yan. Alam niyo na! Diba? Parang ate niya lang ako. Anyway, I was on that part of my life na, what do I do? You know, it's like, they say na it's either you have a successful career, but no, walang magandang love life, you know, ganon. Or you have a good love life, pero lost naman yung career mo. So it's like sometimes you have to choose which one, you know. You can't
Yun yung
have
sinasabi nila na you cannot have it all.
Yes, you cannot.
And have your cake and eat it too.
Exactly. Diba? So that's why I'm lucky. I'm really lucky to be able to come here. I did not expect. I know, yes, nothing is permanent. Yes, not just love life, but everything is not. It's not permanent. Even our life. That's why we die, diba?
So can you say na siya yung naging reason bakit ka nakapunta dito sa Amerika? Is that
No, it's not. He's not the reason.
or relative? Is it the relative?
Well, the situation was the reason that.
That's why it is an escape.
Yes, that's why it was an escape. It's like, I really just want to, I'm only planning to like be here just for a week or two. Akala ko maliit lang kasi liit ng isla ng Palau. Itong bansa na to, diba? So, I remember.
Also, tourist ka dito.
I was, yes, I was. I started as a tourist, and but I did get to meet because I was working as a writer for a local newspaper on the island of Palau.
Oh, diba?
Diba? Talagang you never really know what life will bring you. Thank you.
And just for the context lang, no? Just for everyone to know, bakit pagpunta mo dyan ay writer ka ng isang news sa Palau. Just to give everyone's context, ano yung trabaho na iniwan mo sa Pinas?
Oh my God, guys. I was in show business. Yes, whether you like it or not, I work with, they're still in the industry, Direct Mark Reyes, which is doing Voltes 5, I believe. I've worked with Viva Television, TGIS, if you guys ever watch that. TGIS.
Sila Rica Peralejo.
Yes, Angelo De Leon and Bobby Andrews. So,
Okay.
I was in the
Kasi
television.
hindi mo talaga alam yun. Grabe, oh.
Hindi.
Iniiwan mo kami sa edad mo.
Hindi, I mean like hindi ko alam na yun yung background ni Boss Lee.
Yeah.
Kala ko naman
Yeah,
hindi
pero
mo alam
kilala ko
yung
yun, syempre.
TGIS na parang biglang nang iwan sa sa area. Biglang nagpakabata yung edad, oh.
Right?
Zinyal ka, girl.
Dahil din naman, we're high school back then. Diba?
Grabe yung tanong, oh. Ay, matanda na po ba si Z?
Oy, Naj, grabe ka. Hindi ko mananalo na
Hindi kasi kala niya mga ano lang eh,
Sa
16.
Of course, di ba? Magpapakat na rin nga ako ng ganyan. In fairness, I like your hair, Z.
Thank you.
Oh, diba?
Thank you, boss lady.
So I don't really have to leave the Philippines. It's like I have a good career, and I usually work behind the camera. But of course, I know how it all works. So Direct Dom Zapata was also my former boss. Vic Del Rosario, boss Vic, Veronique, the daughter, and before that, I was with ABS-CBN as well. So I still know a lot of people in the industry. And then, Ion, you have to choose family or your career, like I told you. And that time, so my first husband back then, he was working in Palau, and so he told me na if I don't follow, maraming nakapaligid na mga makakate, diba? So the curious mind of me, parang sige na nga, baka maagaw, kamukha pa naman siya ni Rudy Fernandez. So, baka maging the boy ng ibang tao, diba? Ng ibang,
The boy ng ibang tao.
correct, diba? Hi, Master Supreme. Diba, kailangan siya lang ang the boy ko. Anyway, so I did. To make the story short, I did. I followed. And yes, I was a victim of that island. But if you guys haven't been to Palau, it is the living temptation island.
Oh.
Oh,
Yes.
wow.
So to everyone
So it is
that-
like
in
an island. It is
Oh,
like
okay.
a red light, not the district, but an island itself.
Yes.
Parang ganon?
Yep.
Oh.
Yeah. You guys should
Pero-
enjoy the world of discovery.
Pero paano
Uy.
ka naman, sabi mo, yagit ka noon, mahirap ka noon. So, paano ka napasok sa entertainment industry?
Nag-aral ako, be.
Nag-aral?
Yes, I finished. I have a degree.
From PUP,
Yan na.
right?
Yes, from Polytechnic University of the Philippines. I have a degree in communication arts. I majored
wow.
in mass
Hindi yan
communication.
basta-basta.
Sabay ganun na. I majored in mass communication. And so when I got here, I eventually took my master's and now I'm taking my doctor's degree.
Oh, wow.
Right now,
With the
currently
same-
taking.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yes.
Wow.
I am.
Same,
So,
same, ano ba?
field?
Same
No,
specialized.
it's not.
No, it's
No,
not.
it's not on the, but it's still communication. I took my master's in, it's a communication disorder, but it's speech language pathology. So
Okay.
it's, yeah, it's Kapit School lang pala. Yes, of course. So anyone who are alumni of PUP.
Yes, and
Santa
speaking of alumni, it's time for us to introduce our featured host, another alumni of, or an alumnus. I'm an alumnus of PUP. He is part of GGSS, or Generation Guesting's Saturday Showdown, one of the hosts of GGSS, or a part of GGSS squad. Let's all welcome Rhinosaurus.
Hello, everyone.
Oh, di ba?
Ayun,
Good
no?
evening, good afternoon.
Haba ng
Morning.
introduction.
So sorry about that 8 seconds. And it's a blessed Santa all to everyone that's currently tuning for tonight.
Parang
ating
dinilaan
guest,
ng
Miss Manacha.
kalabaw yung dito mo, ah.
Oh, wow.
Parang flat na flat pa. Ano nangyari?
Hinangin.
Nagpapogi nga talaga.
Actually,
Mga palay.
So,
Oh,
Rhino,
spoke up like
yes, go ahead.
so Rhino, base sa conversation or sa mga sagot ni Boss Lady today, meron ka na bang nabuo na gustong itanong so far?
Ako, oo, meron.
Sige.
Kayo ba yan?
Siguro, Boss Lady, of all those experiences, alam ko, every time na humaharap ka sa tao, nakikita nila is you're standing proud, strong, and hard. You're big, you're strong, you're brave, di ba? Yung nakikita nila is yung victorious side. Have you ever
Mhm.
felt na bakit ganun yung mga tao? They would praise you kapag nandun ka na sa victory side pero they have no idea dun sa struggles behind those victories.
Ang lali.
Diba?
Nako, boss lady, sagutin mo yan.
I know. But thank you very much for that very good question. Alam mo kasi, ang mga tao, ayaw nilang, they don't want to talk about, especially Filipinos, they don't want to hear about your struggle. Gusto nila puro ma-happy side lang where they can get something out from you. So, and they don't want to believe yung before you get to where you at, na kailangan, you have to go through humps and bumps and all the rough patches, di ba? It's simple as that. Pero kasi tayo, especially mga Pilipino, I don't know if we are born na yung yabang, ang hirap tanggalin. Alam mo yon, parang that's like our outlet. Yung parang it's up to you how you grow from it. Kasi I think that's one of the thing na everything that I went through, the best inspiration ko is to keep my feet on the ground. Kasi it will not help you pag, yes, it's better na makita ng tao how far you've gone rather than you say it. Alam mo yon? Pero I believe everyone when they say I'm going through crap right now, you know, and it's really real and it's understandable whether nagsisinungaling sa inyo yung tao or hindi, but you have to take it up from their words, you know, kasi you can force them naman. And you medyo siguro nga may pinagdadaanan, but we are also good, we especially Filipinos, we're good at hiding those things. Alam mo yun, yung we always have, malalapo-lapo tayo diba? Talagang yung we only want to show the best part of us. Sometimes ayaw natin makita. For me, ayoko nakikita ng mga tao na I'm weak. Alam mo yan? So when I cry alone. But it's like, you know, as soon as I get that all out, I get out of there and I raise hell. So that's, ganun. Did I answer it?
Yeah, thank you very much, contestant number 43. Now let's move on.
Sa akin, contestant number 5 lang. Sa kanya, 43 na. Oh.
Diba? Grabe.
Guys, yun yung cue nyo para magbagsak ng
Ayan na,
communiverse.
may question, diba? May question.
Make it rain, guys. Make it rain.
Gichi.
Oh, yeah, let's make it happen tonight.
Eldest po kayo, boss lady.
Yes.
Yes, she is the eldest.
I am the ate.
Mhm.
Yes. So, yep.
So going
Any
back to
other
that, to what you said earlier, na you were a victim or you were parang na ano ng the island itself, yung na
Na biktima ng isla. Yeah.
what do you mean by that? Is it the person itself or ano
The
ba?
island itself.
So island everyone or it's
Yes,
more on the
everyone.
space or paano ba?
I think the space as well. It's like this. I would say it's like an aquarium. And we are all fish on that island. So the island is an aquarium and we're all fish. So the fish you saw on one end of the aquarium will probably the same fish you'll see on the other end of the aquarium. And then, alam mo naman, lalo na pag mga Pilipino, and mostly everyone that I've known na went there and they were couple, break na sila ngayon.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Oo. Kasi may mga makakate na talagang they don't care kahit na may jowa. Tapos meron din namang mga jowa na hindi makapagpigil o hindi makontento. Oo, gusto ng iba't ibang putahe. So,
Parang may diin doon
correct.
Potahe. Parang
so
may
hindi
diin
lang-
somewhere.
So, hindi lang yung relationship mo yung nakakaranas nung nun. Kumbaga,
Yes.
lahat dun sa island na yon.
Mhm.
Parang it's an entire ecosystem. Parang
Yes.
ganun.
Oh, wow.
Yes. So it's like that island should only be for single people looking for,
For
exploring.
fun.
Pinagmulan ng alamat ng Marites.
May power tools kaya doon.
Pwede.
May power tools.
I think meron. Yeah, but I haven't been there for almost 20 years.
Wow.
20
So
plus
it's-
years.
So basically, it's a norm. Kumbaga, existing subculture na siya within the island. So
Yes.
for those
Mhm.
people who's been itching to do
Yep.
stuffs, to be experimental in their lives.
Aha. Another
Yeah.
So
thing
parang
is
ano, no?
Rigodon. Alam niyo yung sayaw na rigodon?
Yes, very good.
Yun.
Ayan, turuan si Z. Oh, parang
Rugodon.
rigodon.
Rigodon actually is one of the songs of Kian Andeza when he is part of yung naka-band pa siya. Pero yon, yes, it is sayaw. Pero if you know Yam Concepcion, it is also a film.
10 out of 10 would recommend. Should check it.
Yan, yung mga baby ko, hindi nyo alam ang rigodon. Di ba kayo nag-18 years old? Grabe. Uso yun, guys. Pag nag-18 years old kayo, wala na siguro, no? Or here, quinceañera, mga ganun. But I don't think...
Cotillion. There you go.
Yeah.
Ang alam ko dyan, Dibu. Hindi ko alam.
Yes,
yung
Dibu.
Rigodon.
So,
Okay.
there's a waltz dancing, right? They dance waltz and then exchange partners. Ganon, rigodon.
Exchange partners.
Correct, diba? Parang swapping.
Yun nga.
Hindi lang
Yes,
dancing,
ayan,
swaying pa, swaying.
Alam lang kasi ng mga karamihan na is cotillion.
Ayan, Cotillion. Yes, pwede rin. Ayan, parang J.S. Trump. Yes, Duende. Parang ganon, yes. Di ko yan naranasan. Ayan. Grabe. Di ba mga new generation, di na nakaranas ng ganyan?
Um, So, nung pagdating mo dito, how did you start yung journey mo to move forward and get up on your feet?
Oh, so my dad just recently passed away as well when I moved here. So all of my dad's lahat nung business savings and money ng daddy ko, yun talaga yung dala ko when I came here. So I really I rented an apartment and very, very expensive, guys. My God. Oo. And then I wala na siya ngayon. Tita Bing was one of a distant family relatives. So she pretty much helped me out. She was in LA. Yeah, that time she was in LA. Tapos, one of yung boyfriend ko dun sa isla na yon. Kasi pero that time wala na kasi talagang there's no chance na umalis na yung first, alam niya na yon. So sinundan na yung si Cavite. So anyway, so I have to move on with my life. Sabi nga ng daddy ko kasi I was a stage actress as well from yeah, I was a university scholar. Kahit na pa scholar na ng bayan. Plus parang double, 'di ba? Double cuz as in talagang from first year all the way I finished my degree in communication. As in, kahit isang case na beer, hindi nagbayad. Oo, ang mami at daddy ko. That's why I think that's
Case ng
one-
beer.
Yes, I remember that.
Kasama ba yun sa school?
Yes,
Requirement daw yan.
requirement yun. No, but that's what I learned from my sociology teacher. Yeah, back in college. Talagang, but it's really inspiring kasi sinasabi niya, all of us students, you have to be thankful that you are going to this university because, yeah, napakaswerte nyo. Yung iba nagbabayad ng, of course, it's very expensive sa UP, LaSalle, all those other universities. Eh kayo, sabi wala pang isang case na beer. Oh, yeah. Plus, not even case ng beer. And sabi, so they will see us. Sabi, and yung mga scholar pa dyan. Sabi ganun, you don't really pay at all. Wala kasi talaga. And that time, wala naman kasing pambayad din. Di ba, I told you, I came from a really poor family na wala talaga, hindi kaya ng mami at daddy ko. Tapos, ako yung first na alam mo tayo mga Pilipino, diba? Pag sinabi ng nanay at tatay, oh, ikaw magiging nurse ka, ikaw magiging doctor ka. Alam mo yon. So, ganun. I was like that too. Pero ako yung I was the first one to break that chain. So, sabi ng daddy ko, mag-aabogado ka. So, mag-take ka ng, alam mo yon, ng entrance exam sa UP College of Law. Ganyan. Tapos, mami ko naman, magiging nurse ka. Tapos, magdo-doktor ka. I'm like, okay, di kayong dalawa mag-aral. Mag-aabogado. Seriously.
Yeah.
Yes. I was,
Lagi niya sinasabi.
kayo mag-aral. Gusto nyo maging abogado, go ahead. Make your day. Ikaw gusto mo mag-nurse, mag-doktor, go. Mag-aral kayo. Bakit? Ba't ako pipilitin nyo? And that's one thing I've learned for my kids as well. Sa gunyang pilitin, guys, kasi if it's not for them, it's not gonna happen. Alam mo yun, ma-heartbroken lang kayo, madi-disappoint lang kayo. Why disappoint yourself? Inspire them and push them and be behind them kung anong gusto nilang marating sa buhay nila because that's their life. Diba?
True.
So, ayun. Ano ba? Sorry, I digress. Ano naman yung question? Nawala ako talaga. Sabi ko sa inyo, guys.
Ano yung naging way mo to start getting
To
up
start
on your
here.
feet?
So, yun na nga. Yeah. So, aside from the money that my dad left, because my dad just passed away that time as well. So, yun pa rin pala. Aside from what happened to me in Palau, tapos, my dad just passed away. Ako yung panganay. Parang, what will I do? Alam mo yun, parang ako yung inaasahan, 'di ba? Kaya I've always been one of the boys. Alam mo yun, kasi panganay ako and then tawag dito, ako yung inaasahan. Di ba usually sa atin, kailangan lalaki yung yung laging, yung ganon, yung aasahan, everything, di ba? So ganon, parang, okay, I can do it. I can be one of the boys, you know. Yes, you don't have to think, you don't have time to think. So, but with as little as I have, so I used that, and then, and here, I'm not illegal at all, guys, so, but this is really helpful and inspiring for everyone who wants to come here, be here legally. And there are a lot of ways. There are a lot of ways to be here legally. So, once I got here, you only have 6 months. 6 months to change your status from tourist or business, E1, whatever kind of visa. Hi, CC Rizal from Cardinals Official. So, whatever kind of visa, you only have 6 months because yun lang yung binibigay usually when you get here. So before that 6 months, you have to apply to adjust your status. So while that's happening, I did apply. Meron sila ditong, they're looking for sponsor. I was looking for sponsors. And what else did I do?
Naghanap
I
ng
went to school.
jowa.
Yes, you have choices. But that happened. Pero I did not really, oh my God, it's like, so I happened to meet, talagang swerte talaga, guys. Sometimes you never know what's in store for you when you go to different places. Minsan magugulat ka na lang, alam mo yun. So, to make the story short, nag-meet kami nung former boyfriend ko from the island of Palau, diba? So, it's really unexpected and hindi ko talaga, alam mo yun. So, but anyway, yun, nagkatuluyan. Grabe. So, but I was going to school already. I was already enrolling, everything. And, yun.
Nag-enroll ka and di ano yon, international student ka.
No, because I'm already here. So, as long as it's not not exchange
That's
student either, but
I mean, like when it comes to tuition fees, you're gonna be
yes,
signed as international student, and that's
yes.
gonna be much more expensive.
Yes, very, very expensive, guys.
Yeah.
Oo. Tapos, I was lucky because I was able to get a scholarship. So,
Pag
I'm
mga
only,
scholar talaga, they find ways talaga, no?
yes, guys, collegeboard.com, and they have everything there. So, you have to be really resourceful. And yan yung natutunan, of course, when you're in college, special sa PUP, you have to be, and being a Sining Lahi Poly Repertory, it's bakit? Member ka ba din nun? Why But, you beg, borrow, steal. Ganun. You're not steal, kasi bawal yun, guys. Hindi naman, pero, may paalam. So, hindi ka, diba? At sabihin nila, "Wag
So
mo na
this is
ibalik."
so you applied for scholarship when
Yes.
your status wasn't changed
Still,
yet, right?
yes, yes.
And then nagkatuloy